everyone, I'm Kajal, maths teacher at ConnectBud. I'm teaching different level of maths up to college level like algebra, geometry, integrated maths, pre-calculus, calculus AB, BC and more. ConnectBud is a platform where parent can schedule a free demo class before hiring a tutor. There is a one-to-one online teaching. So there will be easy and interactive way of teaching. To learn mathematics in interactive and easy way, so book your class and start learning.
Over 1 minus cos x times sin x, and we can cancel that out, I think. Yeah. And now that's 2 over sin x.
2 over sin x. What is
2 over
one?
sin x.
Yeah.
2 over sin x can be written as 2 cosecant x.